In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted reports in HubSpot. This is an essential guide for anyone who finds themselves needing to recover lost data or simply bring back reports that were accidentally removed. Understanding how to navigate HubSpot efficiently can save you time and possibly some frustration. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can easily find this by opening your HubSpot dashboard and directing your attention to the menu where user resources are located. The user guide is a helpful tool that HubSpot provides, filled with detailed instructions and articles aimed at maximizing your use of the platform. Make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account to have full access to these resources. Once you're in the user guide section, locate the option labeled Reporting. This is the hub for all your report-related tools and information. Clicking on Reporting will take you into the specific area where you can manage existing reports, understand the analytics better, and yes, restore those deleted reports. With the reporting page open, you should see a variety of options related to your reports. What you're looking for here is the Reports section. Clicking on this will further refine your view, presenting you with a list of reports and additional options that are crucial for detailed report management. Now here's the key step. You need to find the option for Restore Deleted Reports. This feature allows you to see the reports that have been removed and provides an easy way to restore them. It's an invaluable feature because, let's face it, mistakes happen. Whether a report was deleted by accident or you simply need it back, this option will be your lifesaver. Once you've clicked on Restore Deleted Reports, you'll be presented with a list of all the reports that have been deleted and are eligible for restoration. Go through the list and find the report you wish to restore. Select it, and you should see a Restore button that guides you through the process. Remember, it's always recommended to double-check before removing reports to prevent unnecessary restorations. However, having this option means you have a safety net when things don't go as planned. And there you have it, a straightforward way to restore your deleted reports within HubSpot. Keeping your reports organized and having the ability to manage them effectively is key to maintaining a robust data-driven strategy. So next time you face report-related challenges, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your HubSpot experience smoother and more productive.